everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make Budae-Jjigae or Korean sausage stew. Budae-Jjigae is related to the tragic history of Korean War. During the wartime, foods were scarce and people were very hungry. So some people created this new type of stew with canned foods from American Army base and some available Korean vegetables. These are for 4 people. 1 can of spam, 2 sausages, half onion, 1 big green onion, half potato, half cup of baked beans, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 packet of ramen. Ingredients for the sauce is Korean pepper powder, Korean pepper paste, soy sauce, minced garlic, and fish sauce. Slice the spam. Today, people think spam as junk food, but it was not in the past. In 1980s, only rich friend of mine could have spam in their lunchbox. It was imported food and the pan-fried spam was very delicious. Slice sausage as thick as you want. Slice onion and green onion. I found this big green onion, but you can replace this with smaller and thinner green onions. Mix pepper powder, pepper paste, soy sauce, garlic, fish sauce. Put the ingredients one by one. Kimchi is optional. And half cup of baked beans. And you add broth. I use chicken broth, but you can use beef broth or anchovy broth. And water. And add half of the sauce. You can adjust the amount of sauce. Kimchi already has its own spices, so you better use half of the sauce first and add more after you taste it. Boil them all together. Put the top on and wait. Boil them for 8 or 10 minutes. Then you add ramen. When ramen becomes translucent, add more of the green onion slices. Boil it 1 more minute. It's done. You can eat Budae-Jjigae with cooked rice. If you want to learn how to cook rice, you can watch my previous video.